Everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing JPEX, OWUV, ABML, ICOA, FERN, MJWL, EEENF, PKKFF, IMPP, ENSV, CYRN, and GFAI. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video, and also hit the red subscribe button, little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. So go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. These are day and swing trade short-term momentum penny stock alerts that trade on the NYSE, NASDAQ, and OTC markets. These are trading and investing ideas to help you maximize your gains. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times we will do a text-only alert if something hot comes across our desk. Also, you can click the red download ebook to get the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all a free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Friday was a much better day on the OTC markets than we've been seeing. Overall, it was a lackluster week on the OTC markets. We had 2,839 advancers on Friday to 1,423 decliners on $2.2 billion in dollar volume. Overall, volumes are way down. There was a Financial Times article on Thursday that OTC markets volume is down 70% from the February 2021 highs. And it's been a bear market. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it, but this too shall pass. Markets turn on a dime. But you have to look at where your opportunities are, and you have to be in cash right now. You have to have a cash position to take advantage of opportunities when they arise. This week, we were going to be focusing more on NASDAQ and NYSE runners for our subscribers. We'll be talking about that a little bit later, but to get these alerts, make sure you are a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com. First up is JPEX. Again, 2 green days back to back. We like to see this. Finally getting a bounce after this pulling back from 3 cents to under a penny. We're at a penny and a half. Let's see if this rally can continue. 47% move on Friday. Nicing that for folks. Moon Market, he sums it up best. When JPEX gets rolling with their cybersecurity news, it could start getting interesting. Just released V-Shield last month. Catalyst all 2022. So suggest you give him a follow at Moon Market _. He tends to focus on a few plays that he really likes, and he covers them on a daily basis. Whereas we focus on what's moving. We don't fall in love with any penny stocks here at InsiderFinancial.com. We fall in love with PNL, and that's what it all comes down to, guys. Making money in these markets. If you want to fall in love with something, I believe it's much better to go and fall in love with Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Apple, Berkshire Hathaway, whatever your cup of tea is. Whereas OTC markets, OTC plays, it's all momentum. and right now, you know, there's the low float, low market cap plays. They're good just for day trades. We're not seeing any follow through. People ask me, well, yes, the action on Friday was positive. What's going to get me convinced that this turnaround is for real? When we're getting multiple triple-digit runners, you know, over the course of 3, 4, 5 days. These one and dones are just not going to cut it. But, you know, when you got 5, 10, you know, OTC stocks that are up 200, 300, 500%, you know, on that way to 10x, that's when I'm going to say the hot money is going to come back into the OTC markets and we're going to get that FOMO. Next up is OWUV. This one has just been absolutely decimated. This was a huge winner for our subscribers last year. We caught it under 2 cents, ran all the way to 65 cents, and it's just been a downhill ever since. They put out an update. Their CFO, Karen Courier, she's recovering. She's an OTC markets whiz, knows how to get filings done, knows how to get stocks current. She really knows the back end of things. We wish her a speedy recovery, but there was just a lot of, you know, in this update talking about her. She said that she's been able to set up meetings with other CEOs working in the metaverse, contacted distressed companies to help bring current and find a legitimate merger candidate, as well as working on the annual disclosure statement for OWV and our subsidiaries. With that being said, please look for our disclosure in the next 10 to 14 days. So updates are coming, and that should keep a bid in OWUV stock. Next up is ABML. What's exciting about this one, it's getting a lot of attention. It was just profiled in Business Insider. The company tweeted, securing a domestic supply chain for critical minerals is more important now than ever. ABTC is highlighted in Business Insider's 4 top battery recycling startups aiming to serve U.S. automakers. And their plant is really making a lot of progress. I suggest you go and follow their Twitter at ABT_company. They've been posting updates on the construction, and it's pretty exciting developments there going on with ABML. Again, 2 green days. We're looking for trends, guys. You know, again, you know, we wanted to see the follow through. You know, this one gets above $1.20 and can really make a move here. So let's hope the momentum continues this week. Next up is ICOA. Slow and steady wins the race. You know, it is a just over a double over the past 7 trading days. Green every day. I talked about this one, or my colleague Jim Bloom talked about this one the other day on, it was posted on the 20th. 4 OTC stocks with momentum: ICOA, MTRT, NXMR, VNUE. ICOA still has the momentum. MTRT and NXMR, we saw profit taking. But this one, go and check out our full coverage. You can see what we talked about with ICOA. It's all there with their roadmap. The company has a great share structure and pledged no dilution. So, you know, if you look at what's going on there, you know, as we said, we think ICOA is undervalued as it leverages some of the fastest growing trends, including DeFi, NFTs, and the metaverse. So, you know, the current market cap does not reflect the recent deals that are worth over $400 million. So definitely ICOA is an undervalued play here, under a penny. Next up is FERN. This is just a $22 million market cap crypto play. Might have bottomed. It's a double off the lows on Thursday. Let's see, they can continue and keep the momentum going. It's MJWL. Looking here, yeah, no real news on why it's bouncing, but again, you know, let's hope the bottom is in for shareholders. Next up is MJWL. Again, this was another big winner for our subscribers last year. We caught the move early. I believe it was 0.027, ran all the way to 26 cents. 10 bagger for subscribers. And then it's just been relentless selling ever since. And if you follow my channel, over the last 6 to 9 months, I've been telling everybody buy dips, sell rips, and MJWL was a great one. Buy dips, sell, buy, sell. I mean, it was just like clockwork. And then really in 2022 it's just been straight downhill, so let's hope that this momentum continues. Update was from Super King. MJWL market cap now 50 million. Just revenue projected this year is of $143 million. Q4 and the full year is currently being auditing. MJWL will be fully reporting in a few weeks. We see this one as a tremendously undervalued play. They have a lot more going on than they did, last year when they ran in July all the way to above 26 cents. This is a discount entry opportunity down here, guys. Next up is EEENF. They are now fully permitted and just getting ready for results next month. So they're going to spud the well next month, and let's keep our fingers crossed and hope that it's big news. They also announced their this came out on the 21st. Where is it? EEENF. They are going to acquire a stake in the Permian, so for $10 million. So they're diversifying themselves. Just a lot going on here. We still see this one as a buyout candidate, depending on the results of the Merlin 2 well. So again, everyone, let's keep our fingers crossed for big news next month. Next up is PKKFF. Finally bottomed. Nice bounce off the $2 level. There was an announcement. Annual revenue guidance $814 million by 2023. Just the Q3 this year, 2021 financial highlights: total revenue around 25.7 million, EBITDA of 3 million, net income of 1.5 million. This one has just gotten beaten up, and the bounce should continue. So let's be watching this one closely this week, guys. And the last four are all NASDAQ and NYSEs. I mean, this is the continuation. These are, this one's been running over all week. It was the big winner, up 300%. It's a shipping company, also oil play. Again, it's IMPP, ENSV. These are small cap, low float oil and gas plays. With Putin waging war in Ukraine, oil back over $100. These small cap, low flow plays can really get going and squeeze the shorts. So again, these are the types of plays we're going to be focusing on this week for our subscribers. So make sure you are a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com. CYRN, big week, another one. This one doubled. Regain compliance. It's a cyber play. Again, with Putin in Ukraine, there's a lot of worries about cyber warfare. So these types of plays are getting going. GFAI, sympathy play, had a good day on Friday, up 45%. What I really like about this one is 21% of the float is short, and there's only 5.97 million shares in the float. So this one can really squeeze the shorts this week if this momentum continues. Let's hope they can get it above $1. and this one will really get going. If you look at the 50-day, it's 92 cents. We clear that, we clear the dollar. I think this one can spike to $2 pretty quick. So definitely a play you want to be paying attention to, GFAI. But with that being said, guys, I want to wish everyone a wonderful weekend. You know, prayers to everyone in Ukraine. Hopefully there is a resolution, or something gets done there fairly quickly. That it would be best for the markets and, of course, for the Ukrainian people if there's just, markets don't like uncertainty. So, you know, if Putin's going to go in and roll it over quick. You know, the longer they fight and put up defenses, you know, the more bloodshed, and then, you know, it's just going to wreak havoc on the markets. Please don't get mad at me. I'm not wishing for Russia to win, but facts are facts, and it's a much more dominant military than Ukraine. But, you know, right now, cash is a great position. You know, take advantage of opportunities when you can. You know, be nimble, be quick to take profits, don't get greedy. And you know, that's the best, you know, thing I could say right now. It's, you know, it's not financial advice, just trying to help you guys as much as possible. You know, we're not going to be blowing up your phone or email this week with alerts, only if something makes sense. There's no need to press things, and especially in this market. You know, when things are hot, we have an alert. We'll have an alert every day. When things are not, we pull back, and we wait for the right setups. So it's all about finding the right setups. You know, we run screens every morning. You know, this weekend I'm looking, but, you know, I'm not going to do anything in the OTC until I see more continuation, more volume, you know, picking up. So it will come. When that is, no one knows. I can't predict the future, but when it starts happening, we'll all know it. So just make sure you are a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com. You know, click the subscribe button on the YouTube channel, the notifications. I discuss the markets every day after the close here on our YouTube channel. So thank you, everyone, for watching, subscribing, reading our content on insiderfinancial.com. We appreciate all of you, and we wish everyone a wonderful and safe weekend, and prayers to everyone in the Ukraine. Take care. Bye-bye.